children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, in the last YouTube class, we learned the English workbook, that butterfly laughter, isn't it? Because we have not completed workbook. Now we are completing all the lessons, because for quarterly exam we will be asking questions from workbook also. So you have to learn workbook also. Don't avoid, oh miss will not ask, so that we can avoid. So don't think like that way. You have to learn workbook chapters also. Okay children. So last week last class, YouTube class, we learned butterfly laughter. So this YouTube class we are going to learn the workbook only. The trick that did not work. The trick that did not work. Last class we learned, I told the story in the Zoom, I told the story, isn't it? And in the next class, Friday, we sent the book exercise. Related to the book exercise only, they have given in the workbook also. So you no need to worry. Some extra things they have given in the workbook. Let's see the book workbook exercise. Okay children? Okay children, see. Lesson 3, the trick that did not work. Okay, last class we learned the butterfly laughter. We learned butterfly laughter. Okay children, today we are going to learn the trick that did not work. Okay, see the first one, tick the correct words within the brackets. See the brackets they have given, which is the correct words we have to tick to complete the similes. Similes, understood? We learnt similes in the class reader also, isn't it? What a simile, like using what, as cold as ice, run like a deer, isn't it? Like that we learnt. So like that, which is correct, we have to tick the correct answer. Apurvi is the fastest runner on the school team. Apurvi is the fastest runner on the school team. She runs like a dash. She runs like a hare or dove? Hare. What will come? She runs like a hare, not dove. Understood children? Okay. Second one. Afzal is smart. He is as clever as. See. Here, as cold as clever as wise as. We learnt everything. See, it's related to that reader only. As clever as, we say fox is a clever animal, isn't it? Cunning animal is a fox, isn't it? So, Afzal is smart. He is as clever as a fox. As clever as a fox. Third one. Without my spectacles, I am as blind as a bat. Bat doesn't cannot see in the daytime. Bat cannot see in the daytime, isn't it? So what? Without my spectacles, I am as blind as a bat. Number 4. The village well has dried up. It is as dry as a bone. As dry as a bone. As dry as a bone. Varun and Kavi are twins. Varun and Kavi are twins. They are as alike as two cats on a wall or peas in a pod. What will come? Peas in a pod. Have you seen the peas in a pod? Have you seen? See, there will be two, it will be, isn't it? So, they are alike as two peas in a pod. Okay, children? Okay. This is similes. Now, we'll go to, circle the words that mean the same as the words in capitals. We learnt in the book also. What we learnt? The meanings, we have to find meanings, isn't it? Likewise, see here, scare they have given. What you have to do? You have to, see here, 3 words are given which is related to scare. Which is related to scare, you have to find out. So, scare means what will come? Fumble, frighten, jumble. What will come? Frighten. What will come? Frighten. Scare means what? Frighten. Second one, roam. Roam means what? Wander, country, court. What will come? Wander. Wander. Number 3, merchant. Merchant means who? Traveler, trader, boatman. Which is the correct one? Trader. Which is the correct one? Trader. Promise. Promise means what? Secret, lie, pledge. What will come? Pledge. Isn't it that a promise they will give? Pledge they will give. Promise. Then humorous. Humorous means what? Embarrassed, funny, silly. What will come? Embarrassed. What will come? Embarrassed. Okay, children? Okay, children, we'll go to the C. See, add capital letters and full stops where needed and rewrite these sentences. See, can you see here, children? In the book, last class we learned, isn't it? Add capital letters were required to these sentences. Like this. See, all same related to that only is given in the workbook. Understood, children? See, like this only here it is given. See. Bob and his sister are leaving for Puducherry. Puducherry is a name of a place. And see Bob is a name. So what you have to do, see, first here starting letter always comes with capital B. So capital B. Bob and his sister are leaving for Puducherry. For Puducherry also what you have to write? Capital P. Puducherry, and you have to keep full stop. Understood, children? You have to write correctly. And the second one, the Great Wall of China was built to protect the Chinese Empire. So what you have to write? See, starting letter T, the, capital letter the great also capital G, Great Wall also capital, and China also capital. Listen carefully, children. The Great Wall of China. See, these four letters T, G, W and C, full capital letters only. Children, while copying down, write correctly. All wherever it's needed. Was built to protect the Chinese emperor. See, Chinese, here also capital C only will come. See, here also Chinese emperor. So, here many things are in capital T, G, W, C, and here also C, and you have to keep full stop. Okay, and the third one, Chitrakoot waterfalls is located in Chhattisgarh, India. See, Chitrakoot, that is the name of a waterfall. So what will come? Capital C. What will come? Capital C. And waterfalls also you have to put capital. So Chitrakoot waterfalls is located in Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh is the name of a place. So what you have to write? You have to put capital C. And India, capital I. You have to put capital I, and then you have to keep full stop. Here one comma you have to put. Here, because here one comma is there. You have to put. Fourth one, December is my favorite month of the year. So December, always the months of the year and the days of the week should be started in capital. So starting letter also capital only. December is the favorite month of the year, and keep full stop. Only here D you have to rewrite. Here mother and father are planning a surprise party for my sister. See, mother also capital letter, father also capital letter, and then what you have to write? Keep full stop. Mother and father are planning a surprise party for my sister. Understood, children? Okay. Okay, children. Here, see D. Circle the countable and underline the uncountable nouns in these sentences. See, the same we learnt in the English book also. Can you see here, children? In English book, see, circle the countable nouns and underline the uncountable nouns in these sentences. Have you learnt this one? Okay. The same only is given in the workbook. See, the information that you gave me was very useful. So, information that we cannot count, isn't it? So, we are underlining the uncountable nouns. Second one, all the trees we can count. All the trees in this orchard were planted by the grandfather. Okay, so trees we can count, orchard we can count, and grandfather. So it's countable. So we have circled these three. Okay, children. Third one, please put the garbage in the dustbin. In the garbage, if you put, can you count that one? No. So uncountable. Garbage is waste. Garbage is waste. We can't count. So it's uncountable. And dustbin we can count. So countable. So I have circled it. Number 4. Please return the money that you borrowed from me. Can you count the money, children? No, not with. If we are having a hand means, so we can't return the money that you borrowed from me, means money we can't count. So it's what? Uncountable. It's uncountable. Okay. I made a sandwich with cheese and tomatoes. I made a sandwich with cheese and tomatoes. Sandwich we can count and tomatoes we can count, but can we count the cheese? No, we can't count the cheese. So sandwich and tomatoes countable, circle. Cheese underline. Ask the waitress to bring us some water. So waitress is countable and water is uncountable. Water is uncountable. Okay children. Okay, we'll move on to the E1. Fill in the blanks with nouns from the box. Write whether the noun you have chosen is countable or uncountable. The same thing only. See, we learned there also. See, jackals, work and all, which is countable, which is uncountable, we learned. The same only we are going to learn here. Okay children, you have to what we have written, you have to write there. I wish you wealth and happiness. I wish you health and happiness. Happiness, can you count children? No. So only uncountable. See, the words are given. You have to find this and you have to write under the headings which is correct. You have to write here. Fill in the blanks. Okay. What all it's given? Philanthropist, team, stationery, happiness, work, poultry, bookshelves, factories. Okay children, you have to write under the given fill up. Okay. So Maya visited a dash farm last week. So what will come? Poultry farm. What will come? Poultry farm. So what it's come? It's also uncountable. Poultry also it's Paul panna we will tell. No, that one only. Okay. See, uncountable. Okay. My mother needs me to help her arrange the bookshelves. Arrange the bookshelves. Bookshelves you can count. So it's countable. Okay. Jacob went out to play after he finished his work. After he finished his work. Work is uncountable. Work is uncountable. Okay. And then says fifth one. Father has worked in many factories. Father has worked in many factories. Fact is also what? Fact is what will come? Countable. Fact is what will come? Countable. Okay. Alok plays hockey for the school team. Team is what? It's countable. Team you can count. Countable. Sita has gone to buy some stationery. Stationery. Stationery what will come children? Uncountable. Stationery what will come? Uncountable. Okay. A person who gives generously to good causes is known as a, see what, the person who gives generously to good causes, that person is called what? Philanthropist. That person is called philanthropist. It's countable. It's countable. Okay children. So which is uncountable and which is countable we learned here. And now next we are going to see write common or neuter. That also we learnt in the reader book, isn't it children? Which is common and which is neuter. Understood? Write common or neuter for the gender of the underlined noun. See here they have underlined some of the nouns. We have to find these are common or neuter. Okay children. Alok is a teenager. Alok is a teenager. Teenager means it mentions a boy and a girl. So it's a common. It's a common gender. It's a common gender. Tarun is going to the movies with his friends. Friends also girlfriends, boyfriends. We'll say, isn't it? So that is also a common gender. That is also a common gender. Okay. Third one. Have you seen my sunglasses? Sunglasses. So that is called neuter. That is called, it's a mentioned thing, isn't it? It mentions the thing. So it's neuter. Number 4. The ship was stranded on a deserted island. The ship was stranded on a deserted island. Island also, see, it's a neuter. Island, it mentioned neuter. Understood children? It doesn't mention boy, girl like that. Doesn't mention. So it's a neuter. Okay. Number 5. The bookshelf is very dusty. Bookshelf is also a thing, isn't it? It doesn't mention a male gender or a female gender. So it is also a neuter gender. Neuter gender. Understood, children? Don't forget. Understood? Okay, we'll see the next one. Okay, children, now we'll see the G. Add apostrophes to make possessive nouns and rewrite these phrases correctly. This also we learned, this in the ants. That and all we learned in the reader also. If you are thorough in that one, you can write this one workbook easily. Okay, my school's washroom, it's wrong. See, this is wrong. We should not write schools like this. So what you have to write? Starting letter M-Y, M. Capital M-Y, M-Y, my. And school, see here, apostrophe, comma and yes, washroom. Understood, children? My school's washroom. My school's washroom. Second one, John's car. Is it not? It's not correct. And capital J, they didn't write. So what? Capital J. J-O-H-N apostrophe and yes and John's car. John's car. And the third one, see capital. And here baby's cradle. Capital T. The baby's cradle. The baby's cradle apostrophe, comma I have written. India's natural beauty. India's natural beauty. What you have to write? India's, capital here. India's natural beauty. The lady's purse. See, you should not write like this. The lady's purse. The man's hat. The capital T. See here both also capital T and man's hat. M-A-N apostrophe comma S and hat. Okay, children. My school's washroom, John's car, the baby's cradle, India's natural beauty, the lady's purse, the man's hat. Okay, children? Okay, coming to the last one. See what they have given. Listed below is the schedule Mrs. Smith followed yesterday. Using the timetable as reference, write a paragraph on how she spent her day. You have to using this hints, you have to write a paragraph about Mrs. Smith. Okay, children? See, you can write on your own also. I have given, if you want, you can copy down this one. Mrs. Smith woke up at 7 a.m. Mrs. Smith woke up at 7 a.m. See, can you see children here? 7 a.m. Understood? And the second one, at 7 a.m. Mrs. Smith wakes up the children and wakes up the children and makes breakfast and packs lunches and whenever it is her turn, she carpools. Carpools means what? See, one day father is taking children to school means the next day what? Who will take? Mother will take. She will take. So what? When her turn comes, she takes the children. She takes the children to the school. She reaches the office at 9 a.m. Half an hour before noon, Mrs. Smith attends a meeting with the chairman. At 1 p.m. she has lunch with Mrs. Gupta. In the evening she buys vegetables and at 6 p.m. sits down to help the kids with their homework. Lastly, she entertains the neighbors and has a dinner at 8 p.m. See, by using this hints only, I have given this one. Okay, children, what you can do? You can write on your own also. Otherwise, what we can do? You can copy down this one. Understood? But the sentence should be correct. Understood, children? See, if you could not understand what I will send you in the WhatsApp. So what you have to do? You have to write neatly. Children, you have to learn the workbook also. Don't neglect. Okay, children? You have to learn workbook also. Okay. See how I have written. You write neatly. You should write neatly. And what you have to do? You have to study. That is your homework. Okay, children? You have to study and write one time and see. Will you do that, children? Sure, I hope you all will be doing this. Okay, you write and practice. Write and do so that it will be very easy. Okay children, we'll meet in the next class. Okay children, thank you.